once you understand its importance of belief system, really your life will be never be the same like previous. Belief system is like a foundation. Belief system is like a foundation and which generates lot of energy, lot of force which influence other people. It is like an electromagnetic force. That force is unique for every human being because every human beings are unique. His thoughts, his decisions, his belief system, his culture, his way, when he born, when you are born into this system, the universe is in the electromagnetic field. That influence also will make you as a unique person upon this earth. You are the unique person. Nobody can come uncomparable with you because God has created you as a unique human being. If you want to find the similar kind of you, it will take to generate 400 trillion years. Once the similar kind of the person will come as per the scientist calculations. So you are such a unique person, so you should have your own belief system, not copy paste belief system, not flaw, not old pattern, same thinking system you should not have. After watching this video, I hope you will understand something about the belief system. Now I am sharing you a powerful force for creating the new reality in physical and mental world. It not only influence in your outer world and it also much more influence in your inner world. This is the basic understanding of the belief system, but there is a lot more to this belief system. Is can be programmable, can we change. We are so lucky if your father and mother or the culture and society religion maybe out of your control. They are programmed you, they are conditioned you. Since entire human being is conditioning by government, by schooling system, by corporate world, because we are we are brought up, grown by systems that are corrupted, flawed system, outdated systems. Now is the time. If you're responding to this video, you change your belief system. What is the belief system? Belief system is a just information. Neither it is a true nor it is a false. It is a just information. So don't confuse anything about it. The belief system sharing by major sources. The first is a family. When you born into this earth planet, You are influenced by your family. After certain age, you will understand something that is the self, the role of yourself, role of your understanding and knowledge and wisdom and experiences by yourself. You start to believing on what your eyes seen, what your hands touched, experienced, sensed, what you hear, what you seen, what you touch, what you taste. The influence of the five senses will define you the belief system. After some days, you will enter into the friends, working and schooling, colleagues, maybe colleagues. Then the fourth layer of beliefs entered by society. Society means country to country. There are lot more belief systems are there. See, Indian country beliefs are different, foreign country beliefs are different. Indian woman is different, foreign women are different. Indian working style is different, appearance is different. If child is born in China and he immediately he, he learned China, the same child, if we are sending to India, definitely he will learn India. Why this is happening? Because when the birth of child is, so it is like a slate, empty slate, canvas, empty mind, totally empty mind. That is the purpose. He will become a learning so fast within 18 months. Almost any language he can learn, whether he is in Malaysia, whether he is in Singapore, whether he is in Canada, Japan, Gujarati, Marathi. Within 18 months, he will learn the language because his mind is blank. So we are conditioning by government, our parents, our society, our cultural activities. So, so we need to upgrade ourselves. So I am telling you what areas of impact in your particular life, areas of impact, the belief system, shift in entire thought process, once you are aware of your belief system, then definitely your thought process will be start change. When the thought process will change, automatically you will change your habits and behavior. That habits and behavior are automatically, it is a auto mode, it will comes to automatically, consciously, unconsciously you are doing repeatedly. That means habits becomes your roots. So that roots will that roots we can call it as a values, which are a foundation for the life purpose and vision, goals. These same values will make you empowering decisions. These decisions will make you transformation, right? I hope you will understand something about the belief system. Now I am telling you the limiting beliefs. Second one is the empowering beliefs. Empowering beliefs. Okay. Examples: limiting means limit the your speed, which will stop you not to live the life what you desire, which will limit you, which will control you, which will stop you to who you are. We recognize the child is lying because his face is going to appear very visibility. Based on his face reading, we can tell that the boy is telling right or wrong. This is the what what our mind filled with our beliefs, our actions will come automatically. But as we are a smarter guys, though we are playing some tricky roles, we are hiding our beliefs sometimes. Generally, women are very incongruent with what they feel. Women are can easily manipulate things because they are naturally manipulate. Inside their brain is different, acting outside is different because it is a natural gift for the human beings, human personalities. Children's them and I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy, I'm incapable, I am incapable, and I'm not loving. These kind of things, are limiting beliefs. Empowering beliefs are I am the creator, I am the source, I burn good enough, I am a powerful and energetic, I am a responsible. So how you can change these limiting beliefs? So you have to leave the comfort zone. Comfort zone. See, every human being, if you are alive today, there should be a growth. If you are not growing today, that means you are in dead, die, deadly animals. It is like animals. Animals also having a growth, but as a human being, you should never be satisfied in the comfortable zone. Comfortable zone is deadly. There is no growth. Playing game in a safe mode, passing the time. Don't pass the time. Change. Change will happen. Change will happen only when you come out of the comfort zone. As soon as you decide to come out of comfort zone, convert all your fears into courage. Face the challenges, face the fears, take the risk. Life is a risky journey. If you are not take the risky present moment, somewhere in the future you have to face it. There is no excuse for anyone. You have to face the challenge. Life is a risky game. Don't play in a safe game. Safe game is not exist for human being. You should be become a grow and older, and then you leave this planet. This is a purpose. Every human being, the function on this planet is to love and to live the freedom and independence life. So now growth, when you leave the fears, you will automatically, when you made the learnings, by the new learnings, new initiations, then all fears will goes, then the growth and expansion will start amazingly. I think this this presentation is very nice one. I think you take the leap of faith, improve your faith, confidence, competence. I hope this video will make change and share it to the many people. If you are blessed with this video, and I will make many videos like this every day, morning and evening. If you are really committed to see the change in your life, this is the time for you. This is a free gift presenting to you. Thank you.